Hey, Jason Dustel here with Murideo. We are at ISE 2023 in Barcelona, having a great time. Today we are looking at our Murideo 6A and 6G pair. This is a full 8K troubleshooting kit for HDMI. We can test things like HDCP, we can test things like EDID, some very common problems with HDMI that we run into in the field. Also, we can do some very simple HDMI cable tests to make sure that the cable you're about to install is compliant with the resolution and the frame rates and the bandwidth that you need. We can also take the generator, we can connect a generator to a TV, and we can use software to measure the light coming off the TV to make sure things are the right color and do some calibration work. So it's a great little kit for troubleshooting out in the field, but you can also do some calibration work with it. And if you need to take a deeper dive into some of the data you're trying to find, you can, we have free software on our website. You can connect this to your PC and go really deep down the rabbit hole with some of your testing if you want to. So that's really the quick story around it. For more information, definitely find us on Murideo.com. Again, great time here at ISE. Thank you, Ray, for stopping by. And yeah, we'll see you next time.